name is Jay Batson. I'm a senior engineer with Greenlight Group. I work with products from HP, and today we're going to look at adding integration for Putty and Telnet with NNM 9.0. Okay, so here we are in our NNM console, and we're going to integrate Putty and Telnet into NNM. Now, one thing with NNM is that they already have the URL actions built in. See, those are grayed out. Let's go ahead and choose a node here. But unless you allow the integration to happen through Internet Explorer and the OS, they don't work. So we'll go to, let's do Secure Shell, which we're going to end up using Putty for that. And we just get a blank window. So basically you just need to enable the integration, and we'll go through how to do that. The NNM deployment guide does have step-by-step processes on this, and so we're just going to go through a couple of these real quick. The first one we'll do is Telnet, which is fairly simple to do. Basically, we just need to go to this registry key and enable the integration. So we'll go ahead and go here. Let's go ahead and bring this up so we can look at this. So if we look at the bottom here, we're at HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Internet Explorer, main, feature control, feature disable Telnet protocol. And what they're saying here is to change this registry key, this value, to a 0. So we'll go ahead and change that. So that's that. Then we'll need to restart Internet Explorer. And we'll choose our node here and Telnet into that. It's our router here. Node access and Telnet. See, now we have Telnet available. So the next item we're going to do is for devices that require SSH. Now this is a little bit more involved. Again, our document here does give us a pretty good way to do this. What we're going to do is create, we're going to register a program through a URL. I guess I should say a register application through our URL. And this is just a feature that is built into Internet Explorer, and Firefox will pick up on this. If you want to take a look at this URL, this kind of explains a little bit on the back end what it is we're actually doing here and why we have to take a couple of steps that we do. So first we need putty.exe. It doesn't have to be in this path, but that's what we're going to go ahead and put it there. And then we're going to use this JavaScript right here. We just need to put that into a notepad and just save it into the correct path. And the example is given by HP's documentation, is this right here. So again, it's all right here for you. So what we've done here is we've got putty.exe here, our SSH JavaScript here. We'll just take a look at this. So basically we just copied and pasted that. Basically what happens is when we use the URL integration from with Internet Explorer, it doesn't put the items on the command line in a way that Putty can interpret that. So basically we're just using this 3-line script here to parse that out so that Putty can accept what it is that we're sending it. And then we have this registry entry here. As you can see here, this is the path to where we put our JavaScript. So when we launch the URL action, it's going to use wscript.exe to run this JavaScript. Again, everything that's actually going on here is documented at Microsoft's MSDN website. HP's documentation also does go through some of these items on how they need to be put in there. Again, these paths are just suggested. You can put them anywhere you want. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and enter this registry key into the registry. And then we'll need to go ahead and restart Internet Explorer. And I'm not sure if that node has SSH enabled. So you can see our script is wanting to run, which is going to launch Putty for us. We'll just always allow this. So we have Putty, and that particular node does not have SSH enabled. Let's see if we can find one that does. And let's give this guy a try right here. Okay, third time's a charm. So now we have SSH and Telnet enabled through the NNM console. Again, just for your reference, on the NNM 9.0 deployment document, page 266, there's, go up or down from that page, and you can see all of the items that you need to do to get you a walkthrough here. As you can see, it's nothing too difficult. We'll bring this registry entry again, so you can just take a snapshot of that and recreate that and put that in there. That's all you need. Thanks for watching.